Welcome to another job with Southern Elite Contracting. On this project, we are working hard to restore this home after water damaged the kitchen and main entryway. This is a large project, so remember to follow to keep updated on the progress. We've already begun our work with removing the damaged flooring from the home and installing new subfloors and flooring. We still have a long way to go before we are finished. Our next steps will be to paint the interior of the home to ensure everything matches. Additionally, we will be installing new baseboards and wall molding, creating an elegant finish to the home. As a VIP Home Depot Pro contractor, we can get all the materials at the best price possible. Find out today how much you can save with us. This is only the beginning of this long process, so remember to follow us for all the updates on this exciting project. Contact us today, and let us get started on restoring your home.